Once upon a time, there was a spider named Percy. I'll show you. Percy the spider was black and insect. He is a happy little spider. He's an itsy bitsy spider. We have 8 legs. Eggs. He was a happy, joyful day. But he met the other animal friends. Elvis, the baby elephant. Fuzzy the bear. And lastly, Kevin the rabbit, the green stuffed bunny, who lives under the sea. He going down in the ocean. But he ever knew he was surprised. Woo! Not see. It was all fun and games until one day he playing with the instruments and all day, all night. But especially Fuzzy, the purple teddy bear. Ouch! You loony! It was all fun and games until one day all night. He had to have a shocking and spluttering and a bad dream. But he knew when he was surprised, he didn't know he shoved it up his arms. But I'm not a spider, said Fuzzy the purple teddy bear. But till one day, Percy and Kevin were riding on a horse ride or playing horseplay. He knew he was surprised. Should I say, she would surprise, right? Okay, here it goes again. One to the favorable day, he knew it was a surprise, but knew it had a friend. Until at the front, he knew it was surprising and jumping up and down on a trampoline. But he built a spider webs of the curvy in the day or night or shine tidal waves. But he knew it was surprising, but until the further than noticed. And even he can't even imagine. So he walked down in surprise, but he knew what he can't do. I can do his surprises. Nursery keep out. He said, speak to yourself. Nobody knows the trouble surprise, but he knew when he knew he's something new. But Kevin the Green Rabbit appeared to say, excuse me, but he was surprised to be so happy. Seems to be, I guess. Want to play? Sure. But he danced and he danced all day, all night. He dancing hot diggity dog. All the friends I could do and to play whatever I want to do. But they all lived happily ever after. The end.